Hello, how's your day going so far? When it comes to money, most of us are careful to manage it by earning more and spending less. Why? Because running out of money causes inconvenience and stress. But when it comes to time, we tend to be far less concerned with managing it, often taking for granted that every new day brings a fresh 24 hours. But is time really an endless resource? Recently, Warren Buffett, the 94 years old investing legend, wrote a letter in which he described time as unpredictable, often unfair, and sometimes even cruel. He explained that time can take someone's life just as its beginning, or let others live for nearly a century before their time is up. Reflecting on his own life, Warren Buffett acknowledged that while he has been incredibly fortunate so far, it won't be long before time catches up with him. This serves as a powerful reminder: time isn't infinite. Each of us has a limit, and we don't know when we will reach it. Hi, I'm Philip. If you, like me, want to learn how to make the most of the precious 24 hours we are given each day, then you are in the right place. In today's episode, I will share insights from the book 時間術のベストセラー100冊のポイントを一冊にまとめてみた which I've translated as Summary of 100 Best Time Management Books. Together, we'll explore the concept of saving and creating time and how to make every day more meaningful. We are not short on time because we lack it, but because we hadn't learned how to manage it effectively. So, how can we save and create time? Let's break it down into two parts. Part 1, Creating Time. This section introduces a helpful framework, the 5 E's, and the 5-time block method. The 5 E's stand for enough, early, exercise, empty, escape. First, enough, sleep enough. Don't sacrifice your sleep. The author emphasizes aiming for at least 7 hours of quality rest every night. Good sleep boosts your productivity, improves focus, and enhances overall well-being. Studies show that insufficient sleep increases risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, and depression. Even worse, research indicates that men who sleep less than 6 hours have a mortality rate 2.4 times higher than those who get 7 to 8 hours sleep. 2. Early. Wake up early. Morning hours are golden. The first 3 hours after waking up are when your brain is most alert and creative. Use this time for learning or tackling challenging tasks. A morning hour is said to be 4 times more productive than an evening hour. For instance, when I was preparing for language exams, I would wake up at 5:30 a.m., focus on listening exercise, review my mistakes, and then reinforce my learning during my commute. I noticed a dramatic improvement in my performance compared to studying in the evenings after work. 3. Exercise. Incorporating exercise into your routine doesn't just improve your health, it also sharpens your mind. I used to exercise at night, but found it often got interrupted by work or fatigue. Switching to morning workouts was a game changer, helping me feel refreshed, focused, and even inspired with new ideas while working out. 4. Empty. Leave space. Did you know that Warren Buffett keeps a large portion of his day unstructured for reading and thinking? While we may not have the luxury to do the same, carving out 15 minutes a day to pause and reflect, free from distractions, can spark incredible insights. 5. Escape. Take breaks. Rest isn't luxury, it's a necessity. Overworking leads to diminishing returns as your attention and efficiency decline. Taking regular breaks not only prevents burnout but also encourages creativity. Then, let's talk about a little bit about the 5-time block method. The author suggests dividing your day into 5 blocks based on your body's natural rhythm. A. Before work, focus on exercise or personal growth. B. Morning work hour. Prioritize tasks requiring focus and creativity. C. Early afternoon, schedule meetings or collaborative work during this lower energy time. D. Late afternoon, use this day-night driven period to tackle routine tasks. E. Evening, unwind and spend time with loved ones. How do you feel the above? Did anything stand out to you? Let's continue to talk about part 2, saving time. Time thieves are everywhere, and 2 of the biggest culprits are smartphone and television. Did you know the average person spends over 6 hours a day on screens? Overusing your phone not only wastes time, but can also harm your mental health, disrupt your sleep, and reduce your attention span. In Japan, the average person watches 2.7 hours of TV daily. Imagine how much more meaningful time you can gain by cutting back just an hour a day. What do you think of today's episode? Did anything stand out to you? I hope this inspires you to take control of your time and use it wisely. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Wishing you a productive and fulfilling day ahead. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.